Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to add neon effects to images in Canva. First things first, we will create a striking neon glow triangle effect using Canva. So start by adding an image. If using a free Canva account, just utilize the remove.pg website for background removal. Incorporate a triangle frame into the design. Then, you want to crop the image to fit within the triangle frame. Just copy and paste the image, adding it within the triangle frame, then use the Control key to adjust and align the images seamlessly. Next, you want to integrate a neon triangle into the design for the glowing effect. Just make the final adjustments to ensure that the neon glow triangle effect looks cohesive and visually appealing. Lastly, just review the design in full screen mode to appreciate the neon glow triangle effect. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.